Julie Miller, a resident of Marion County, Oregon, discovered in 2009 that her credit report contained numerous inaccuracies, including an incorrect Social Security number, a false birth date, erroneous collection accounts, and debts that did not belong to her. Miller contacted Equifax 9 times over 2 years to dispute these errors. Despite providing all necessary documentation, Equifax failed to correct the inaccuracies. The company continued to report the erroneous information, leading to significant harm to Miller's creditworthiness and personal reputation. Eventually, Miller filed a lawsuit under the FCRA, alleging that Equifax had negligently and willfully violated the FCRA by failing to maintain accurate credit information and by not conducting reasonable investigations into her disputes. Miller alleged that Equifax violated the FCRA by failing to follow reasonable procedures to ensure maximum possible accuracy of the information in her credit report, failing to conduct a reasonable reinvestigation after being notified of the disputed information, failing to disclose the results of the reinvestigation to Miller. The jury found that Equifax had violated the FCRA by failing to maintain accurate credit information and by not conducting reasonable investigations into Miller's disputes. Damages awarded. Compensatory damages, $180,000 for emotional distress and other harm suffered by Miller. Punitive damages. The jury awarded $18.4 million in punitive damages, finding that Equifax's conduct was willful and egregious. The court later reduced this amount to $1.62 million, citing constitutional limits on punitive damages. Attorneys' fees and costs of over $600,000. This case underscores the importance of consumers' rights under the FCRA to dispute and correct inaccuracies in their credit reports. Equifax's failure to address Miller's disputes highlights the need for bureaus to implement effective procedures for handling consumer disputes.